So here's a quick and probably unexpected use of CGX for black and white images. And this is just one of many, but check this out. Please don't forget that with CGX, you can explore random options for brightness and contrast, which effectively, those are two enormous elements in black and white images. So let's say you have your shot done, you have all your skin work done, everything you wanted to do. And now you're like, well, I just don't know. Here's something you can do with CGX. Open up your panel, go to Explore, and use the toggle buttons here to turn off intensity and saturation. Intensity is effectively the colors above. So there's going to be no hue applied on top. And of course, saturation is directly related to color. So what do we have now? Brightness and contrast. So I'm going to increase the range quite a bit because black and white is a little more forgiving with more radical looks, right? So I'm going to increase the range quite a bit. And now I'm going to use the play button at the bottom to explore brightness and contrast. Here we go. Look at that. See? Basically, every shot is usable, but you don't know what, maybe you weren't sure exactly what to do, or you like it, but you don't know. And look at this, how different it is. Look at that one, very high contrast. This one's a lot lower contrast. You can just keep exploring. Or if you want to explore high contrast looks, okay, but you want to keep things sort of bright, there we are. And let's see what that does. And now we have high contrast, bright looks, until you get something that you feel might work for you. See that? And of course, the opposite's true. You can explore darker looks with lower contrast. I don't know, whatever inspires you. Now we have lower contrast, darker looks. Don't forget that you can use CGX in so many different creative ways, even with black and white images. Look at all these options. It's just endless. And you can choose the sort of the width, if you will, the amount of diversity in your options with the wonderful double sliders that we have. So we can say, you know what, I'm not sure, but let's keep it somewhat tame. I don't want a lot of wilder options. Let's just get some variations until something catches my eye that I like.